Last year, my business grew over 500% thanks to LinkedIn. Let's take a look at Greg Isenberg's LinkedIn tips for 2025.
So let's talk about something a little cringe. So I'm obsessed with LinkedIn right now.
Good.
And I talked about this in my session. LinkedIn is fishing with dynamite right now. And I can give you some tips on how to grow on LinkedIn.
Yeah, please.
Okay, so by the way, I was like you. 14 months ago, I wasn't even on LinkedIn, and I grew from 0 to 125,000 followers with probably like 15 hours of work in 14 months.
Yeah, on my end, I don't have the same reach and same scale as Greg, but to me, like LinkedIn was exceptional last year in 2024. Like thanks to this, like it generated more than 30% 30% of our leads at breakcold. It was a huge growth lever for the monthly recurring revenue.
Step one, did you know that there's a tab on LinkedIn right now that was just added that's a video tab? Did people know this? I'm not even saying no one knows this. But LinkedIn is becoming TikTok. If you post videos on LinkedIn right now, they they go far.
Yeah, this is very true. Like, let me show you a video that absolutely exploded on my LinkedIn account. So right now we are on my LinkedIn profile, and this is one of the videos I've posted lately. And as you can see, like the reach is insane. Like usually when I post on LinkedIn, I average between like 2,000 to 10,000 impressions. The likes is also very different, but yeah, essentially like videos, vertical format. Now they're getting pushed to that video features that they have in LinkedIn. And so if your video is good, so for example, if it's not filmed in your house, if you film outside like I've done in this video, like it just works incredibly well. So yeah, video is becoming a huge thing on LinkedIn and it's here to stay.
Video. The second thing you can do is stories. Stories work really well on LinkedIn. I'm sure you've
Yeah, stories are exceptional type of LinkedIn posts. So let me show you an example. So as you can see right now, I have different types of LinkedIn posts. So you see a LinkedIn carousel, good reach, like 63 likes, 7,000 impressions, a video right there. And then I have this text plus image post with only 53 likes and an insane amount of impressions. But the thing is, when you write stories, people they just want to read it, right? So if you write something that is interesting, you're going to have more watch time, and because of that your number of impressions will just rise a lot. And LinkedIn is going towards watch time as a true KPI to know if your posts are performing. And so you see here it was like a big stories. You can make pause to read it if you want, but essentially, like stories are very powerful to grow fast on LinkedIn. By the way, guys, if you need to nurture leads and to close more deals using LinkedIn, you should use a sales CRM. That's why this video is sponsored by breakcold Sales CRM, my own software. For example, in just one click from the CRM, you can get access to the lead information like you would do in a regular CRM, but you can also get access to all the LinkedIn news of your prospect inside a CRM. You can like and comment the post, but you can also automatically auto sync the email and LinkedIn conversation of your leads. You also have integrations with calling, many other stuff. So make sure to check out at breakcold.com.
I'm obsessed with lead magnets. Put that link in there, your post is going nowhere. So what the LinkedIn team told me is that if you post something that gets more than 150 likes, 200 likes, after 4 hours, if you put the link at the bottom of the post, you will not be suppressed by the LinkedIn algorithm.
Yeah, absolutely true. And if you do that, you can generate so much leads with minimal effort. So let me show you an example right there. So this is a lead magnet post I've made a couple of months ago. And as you can notice right there, Like I've edited the post along the way so that people can have access to the link. And so I waited to have like a decent reach. You see, 200 likes, a couple of comments. And then I was like fed up with it. I know I was losing leads. And I just put the link as a test. And I will put a screenshot on the video because I don't remember how many leads I generated precisely. So I'm going to be conservative. But essentially, in less than 24 hours, I've generated more than 250 leads just with the tally form. It was insane. So without me to do anything, just posting, getting the comments, replying to the comments, and then editing the post, it generated me tons of leads.